Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this AI platform, which is Murf AI and TTSOpenAI. So to get started, TTSOpenAI is a standout for its ultra-realistic expressive voice that often blur the line between AI and real human speech, thanks to advanced training on natural language pattern and emotion. It delivers fluid, context-aware speech that's highly adaptable for everything from narration to conversation. On the other hand, Murf AI remains a strong competitor with a polished voice suitable for professional content like presentation, ads, and learning models. Also, Murf AI offers a voice cloning and easy integration with video, making it user-friendly for creators. However, when it comes to raw human likeness, TTS OpenAI clearly edge out, while Murf voice is clear and professional, still carrying a slight synthetic tones in longer speech. So TTS OpenAI voice feels more spontaneous and natural, especially in emotion or casual content. And here's a very conclusion about these two platforms. So if you want the most human sounding voice in 2025, TTS OpenAI is the winner, especially for storytelling or conversational AI use. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.